Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to trade indices right here on your Bybit app. So if you have your Bybit app, you want to trade indices, forex and so on, you can trade it right here on your Bybit app. You don't have to download any other external broker like MT5 or any broker. You can trade that with your Bybit app. But before we get started right into the video, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And also, if you're watching, you don't have an account with Bybit, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now, let's get started. Right here is the home page of your Bybit app. All you need to do is click on trade file right here. Once you click on trade file, you can see right here, you can see indices right here, you can see forex, you can see commodities. So right now we want to be looking at indices. You can see so many indices pairs right here. You can see NAS 100, S&P 500 and so on. Let's take, for example, you want to buy any of these indices, right? All you just need to do is click on the indices you want to buy, on the indices token you want to get. So right here is NAS 100, right? According to your analysis, let's take, for example, you want to buy or you want to sell. You can see buy and you can see sell right here. So let's take, for example, we want to buy this token, right? You click on buy. Once you click on buy, there are two things you need to consider: your lot size right here. You can either decide to use USDT as value. That means you're going to be determining how much you want to be using. Let's take, for example, you want to use $500 or you want to use $1,000, depending on you, right? So all you need to do is just select the amount of USDT you want. So if you want to change it to normal lot size, you can just click on it and then bring it back to lot size and click on confirm right here. So once you click on confirm, it will be confirmed. So right now you can either decide to use one standard lot or 0.1 depending on your analysis. So right here is where you set your take profit and your stop loss right there. So after you've made your analysis and you want to set your take profit, this is where you type in your take profit and this is where you type in your stop loss. And after you've confirmed everything that is correct, all you need to do is just click on this buy icon and it will be automatically placed. Your order will be automatically placed. Also, if you want to sell, you have to do the same thing, right? You click on it, set your lot size, your take profit right here and your stop loss, and after everything you click on buy, on sell rather, sorry, you click on sell, and that's it. This is how to trade indices on your Bybit without video.